Moving on. No absolute or unconditional freedom. Here the author tries to say that there is no absolute or unconditional freedom, because if freedom is conditioned with external factors, it is a myth, and people tend to follow all these unconditional factors more. We need to understand that there is no entire or expressed freedom, because if freedom is conditional and is absolute, then there is no scope, it has no strength, and there is no scope of creativity involved in it. So henceforth we understand this fact that no absolute or unconditional freedom is there. Division of a society in different classes. Here the author is trying to specifically talk about Indians, where we have actually divided the whole society into different classes and categories, and these categories have led us to various political and social turmoils in our day-to-day life. This has led to no freedom of an individual at all. We need to understand that naturally it is inevitable to understand that there are different classes and differences in human beings from head to toe. The poet is trying to explain the concept that from head to toe everything is different, everybody is different, but this is a natural phenomena which is inevitable, and henceforth how is trying to ask the audience how justified it is for an individual to create different classes and different categories on basis of various classes, social issues and political dilemmas. Moving on to the last point, achieve true freedom with faith. We need to achieve freedom, entire freedom with faith, that we can achieve and resist to all these things all by ourselves. We need to understand that if we are enjoying our freedom entirely, we should not curb each other's freedom and build walls against them, because eventually if we are binding people to certain walls of freedom, we will fall within themselves ourselves one day. This is what all the poet or the author has to explain us in this very extract. Thank you and all the very best for your exams.